Hello, everyone. Greetings to you. Real good. Today, I want to talk about, the very popular menace in our society, Nigeria, among especially the young people. Though it's not only the young people that practice it, even mature people, elderly people gang up and team together to, you know, to scam people, to, squeeze the little money people have, especially the people overseas, and even Nigerians are victims of it anyway. People give excuses that, well, the Europeans, they they enslaved us before, so now if you're getting money from them, it's no big deal. That's a common, saying people say in Nigeria, which is a horrible thing to say because, now you are squeezing money out of people, conniving with others, and then doing all that, still getting money out of innocent, vulnerable people in the maybe with the pretense of some kind of fake love or job offering of job, or you have some asset to sell or something. And people have been they fall for it and they're deceived, and then they cut away with their money. That is what they popularly call yahoo yahoo. It's a terrible thing. It's happening in Nigeria, in the Palestine, India, and so many of some other countries. It's quite horrible. It has brought Nigeria in a very bad light, made people to look us as scumbags, that, Nigerians are fraudsters, that kind of a thing. It's terrible. But I want to say that it's not all Nigerians are part of such that are like that. Nigerians are honest people, hardworking people that work for the money, that does good things. Of course, you see, there are so many that have put Nigeria in a very good, positive light all over the world. The likes of Dr. Ngozi Iweala and Shimamanda and so many others have been doing marvelous things. And I'm believing that I'm going to join such prominent, illustrious sons and daughters that have made Nigeria proud, really proud. And I want to be part of such people. So it's not everyone that is fraudster or something. Especially when I went outside the country, I witnessed firsthand, you know, um, what it means to be a Nigerian. The discrimination and people thinking everybody's Nigerian, fraudster, Nigerian, bad person. It's horrible something. Now, some of these things, well, the motive is right, that is poverty, that's why they have to do something. It decreased crime, it has decreased violence and all that. Yeah, it may be, but the reason is still not genuine. You don't scam people, you don't do such, take money from people and think it's a good thing. So that's just my honest take. I thought I should drop this here, say something about it. It's never a good thing, it should be discouraged. Parents are buying gadgets and even expensive phones of up to millions of naira for their children so that they partake in just dangerous, wicked something. And not only that, people even go to the extra end of doing, they have even added Yahoo Plus. It's not just Yahoo now. You have to do rituals and all that. I want to advise, in conclusion, that one should wait for the right time. There's a right time for everything. And it's better I wait, I make my own money legally, hardworking, good money, than to connive with people or to mischievously, take money out that doesn't belong to me, squeeze it out of people, in a very terrible and painful way. Shalom, bless you. What do you think about this? What is your take on it? See you in the next video. Thank you.